Hi everyone, this is Atanas with LegalTrek and welcome to our special feature video that has been dictated by recent events. So how often did you have to go to a video conferencing platform to meet with a client or just to meet with your teammates in your law firm? Well, we decided that we can also provide a video conferencing module with LegalTrek, so you don't have to pay additional software providers, you don't have to deal with any limits of participants, you don't have any time limitations on your meetings. So we are proudly presenting to you our legal video feature that now enables you to create a virtual meeting room that you can send to your teammates and or clients without worrying how long it's going to take and without having any restrictions. Of course, this feature comes at an additional price with your package, so please be sure to reach out for a personalized quote. But of course, now let's demonstrate how it works first and foremost. So let's say we're meeting with client X and we're going to set a date and time for this. Say 9 p.m. for instance, create room. So what happens is you get this room, you can copy the link which the other participant should receive and you can enter your own room. And we're really proud with our meeting software because LegalTrek doesn't only allow you to share your screen, which of course you can do, but it is actually a meeting where you don't necessarily have just the camera. Of course you can have the camera, you can record the meeting, and here is your video and audio control. So if you select video presentation, you're going to be seeing yourself here, you can enable your video, and this is going to be valid for all the participants who are going to appear here. But most importantly, and what makes us proud, is this interface we've provided where you can actually upload a file, such as a PowerPoint presentation, and put it on the media screen and present it to everyone, or just simply create a text here that you can, for instance, copy paste. Let's say I'm having here some kind of a document that's open. I'm just going to paste it here. So you can paste text, you can paste tables, and you can discuss it with your colleagues. This is what everybody is going to be seeing now, this text. In addition to this, you can present a video on the board, or you can just simply type what's needed, ABC, etc. So actually everybody can be on the same page and seeing the document that you see, seeing the presentation that you see, that's also shared to them via the materials page. And yes, of course, we have screen sharing, which I'm not going to turn on now. And altogether, this makes for a great feature that enables you to chat, video conference, audio conference, and present materials to each other, which is what we believe lawyers are looking for to facilitate their work rather than just a simple video chat. The meeting rooms can be recorded, they can be stored in LegalTrek later on. Overall, it's an exciting feature and we'll be very happy to make it available for you upon request, with the general price starting of €3 per user per month in addition to your service price. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you'll be interested in our meeting software.